Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about expanding algebraic expressions. It means I want to remove this bracket or I want to expand this expression by multiplying the 3 by the whole bracket. First, if I want to multiply 3 by the whole bracket, I have to multiply 3 by x and 3 by 5. To expand this expression, I have to distribute the 3 to the 5 and to the x. This is called the distributive property. So first I will multiply 3 by x, then you will get 3x. You know that 3x means 3 multiplied by x. I don't add the multiplication sign if I have a number multiplied by a variable. And then the second term, when I multiply 3 by 5, it will be 15, positive 15, because 3 is positive and 5 is positive. That's for the first question. That's a simple example. I have another example. Here, the difference between example 2 and example 1, that I have a number and a variable outside the bracket, and I have to expand the bracket by multiplying the 4r by r and the 4r by negative 2. The first term, if you multiply 4r by r, you will have 4r to the power of 2. 4 and then r times r equals r squared. And then when you multiply 4r by negative 2, it will be negative 8r. Okay, you multiply the numbers together and then the variable. That's for this example. Then I will move to a little bit challenging example because it's negative only. Here it's the same like the previous example, but instead of a positive number here, I have negative 6 multiplied by the bracket p minus 2. So first I multiply the negative 6 by p. You will get negative 6p. Then you multiply the negative 6 by negative 2. Negative multiplied by negative will be positive. So the second term will be plus 12. Make sure that you don't add the negative 6p to the 12 because I cannot add a variable term with a constant term. This is the final answer and you can't do anything about it. Now you expanded the number 3, the question number 3. Question number 4, a little bit more challenging than the previous one. I will multiply here negative 2w to the power of 2 by the whole bracket by first multiplying the negative 2w squared by w and then the negative 2w squared by negative 2u. Take care about your signs. Negative 2w squared multiplied by w, that will give you negative 2w to the power of 3, because as if you have here a hidden 1 before the w, it's negative 2 multiplied by this hidden 1, it's negative 2, and then w power 2 multiplied by w power 3 using those indices. The second term, you will multiply negative 2w squared multiplied by negative 2u. When you multiply negative 2 by negative 2, that will be 4. And w squared multiplied by u, it will be like this, w squared u. You cannot combine the w power of 2 and u. Okay, that's for these examples. Please, if you want to practice more, you can use this QR code. Start by the red. It will be a little bit simple, and then when you master it, you can check your answer. You can go to the green as well. It's a little bit more advanced. Thank you.